Hey everybody, welcome to my Penny Go Boom. This is a Friday update here on ticker VIIC, Vision Industry Corp. And let's just continue on from yesterday's video. So we talked about supports and resistances. So we're looking here at the one day candle here. Each one of these represents 1 day of price action. So you can see after we had that monster move all the way up, the stock did test the 50-day simple moving average here. And as we talked about, we suspected that a lot of people would take profits at this area, and it would take the bulls to really push it through. But let's fast forward to today. So going in today, we knew we drew yesterday that 017 was a big support level that needed to be held. And though it just closed just below that, it was a couple of ticks and trades here, plus or minus a couple ticks, the support relatively was held here at this level. And the reason this was important was because you can see this level acted as a support many times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. This acted as a major support. So here we are at the bottom of the support. And the longs did do a pretty decent job, I guess, of holding the stock up. Even though it did go down today, we did hold this support for the most part. So looking into next week, looking to bounce off this support level and continue our move up, because you can't go up every single day. Also, what you see here, if I look at this red line here, the stock typically, when it goes up, it likes to ride this red Bollinger Band. And again, obviously, it's not near the top of this Bollinger Band, but we may be at the bottom of it, closer to the bottom. And sometimes the stock likes to trade in between these lines. So, looking on Monday next week, looking for if the bulls can take control again, start slapping the ask. I'm looking for a good bounce back up. But on the way back up, we need to look through some of the resistance levels that need to get broken through and turn them into support. So the next one being at 0204. The stock did go up today, just again to show you the power of charts. Check this out. We talked about this level right here at 022, being a level of resistance. And look today, when the stock went up, it went pretty much right up to that line here, and the bears said nope, not happening today, and they pushed it back down. But we knew that going into that this was a resistance. So going through next week, we need to get back up through 0205, hold the line there, and then get back up to the next resistance here at 022. So all in all, the past 3 days been not so great, but again, there's a lot of good things going on here. The 5 is still over the 10. It is curling down a little bit, but again, it's kind of a lower volume day here on a Friday. The 5 is still above the 10, and another thing, we are well above the 200-day simple moving average, and that is actually going up. So hopefully, as we can continue the trend, this line can continue to go up and act as a support. So overall, that doesn't look too bad. The MACD. Though it is still healthy, it is starting to curl down a little bit. RSI is nicely, reset in the middle, so you can't really complain about that. The stock is, what it's putting in, it is overall putting in higher lows, but we are at this level where we're getting reset here at this support level. The bulls are really going to need to hold this line, and on Monday they're going to, really need to start slapping that ask, and doing some nice support with that, and we can continue to move our way back up to, possibly start to retest some of these higher levels, and establish some higher bases and move forward from there. Remember everyone, the stock can't go up every single day. Right now it's in this little medium short term downtrend right here, but overall, holding this line is going to be very important, and moving forward, slapping the ask. It's going to be up to the bulls to decide what they want to do with this one. So overall, it doesn't look too bad, guys. The party is not over. Don't listen to negativity and over positivity either. Look at the charts, and just look at the simple facts that a lot of times, this isn't a prediction machine. This is just something that helps you forecast to give you a better idea of what you may choose to do with your money. But do look here that this did act as a support many times and has bounced off of that line. So if someone's looking, where do I get in? If you want to take the gamble and you want to get in, this is a pretty good area to start, slapping the ask. If you choose, if you were looking to where do I want to get in, this might be a good area too. Again, it's my opinion and your choice. But if you wanted to go long on this thing, this support level would be a good area if you so choose to go in. And I'm looking for a greener week next week. I think a lot of the profit taking that happened through here, I think a lot of that's been done. So let's get some new eyes on this thing, and let's see what happens next week. Good luck to us. Spread the word if you believe in this thing. Hopefully the bulls can rally, let those paychecks clear, and they can figure out what they want to do on Monday, and let's push back up and have some happier days ahead. Everyone have a great weekend. please follow me on my Penny Go Boom on Twitter, iHub, and on YouTube. Thanks so much, guys.